Hello, Anderson's class.
Hello.
Nets and surface area 6.6. Can you identify the net of a 3D shape?
Yes.
Can you find surface area?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Net. A net is a figure that is flattened. But if you took the flattened figure and you shaped it and folded it, you could make it into a 3D shape, right?
Yes.
Okay, talk about that in a second. Cylinder, cone, cube. We're going to go down here and look at them. This is a net. Yes?
Yes.
It is a flattened what?
Cylinder.
A cylinder is made up of a
Rectangle.
and two.
Circle.
So if I folded that rectangle into like a cylinder or into like a round shape, a round tube, and then put the circles on top and the bottom, we would have a cylinder, right?
Yes.
This is a cone, right?
Yes.
If I folded this into a 3D shape and capped it with my circle, I would have a cone.
Yes.
This is a...
Cube.
How many squares make a cube?
6.
So if I folded all of these up around this base right here, I would have, so this would be a side, 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 and then this would be the cap. I would have a cube, yes?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So that's what I did up here. I talked about what cylinders, cones, and cubes were. We're going to talk about surface area in just a second. We good?
Yes.
Rectangular prism that looks like a, what's that look like? What thing in our room does that look like?
Rectangular prism.
But what does it look like? Looks like a tissue box, okay? All right, in order to find surface area, you must find the area of each shape, or each face of a 3D shape, yes?
Yes.
So here's a prism, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so how many faces does that prism have?
6.
So how many math problems do I need?
6.
So I need to find the area of every single face. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is a face down here, right?
Yes.
I need to find the area using base times height because it's a rectangle, isn't it?
Yes.
This is a face up here, isn't it?
Yes.
So again, this is a 6 and a 3, even though it's not listed. It's the same as down here. Okay, is this a face right here? Is this a face right here? And then I've got the back side and the front side of that box, right? So I found the area of all of my faces, added them together. What did I have to double check with? How about this guy? This one I actually took each of the faces and I made them into their own 2D shapes, right? And I found the area of them using my dimensions. Add them all together and you have surface area, right? Think you're okay? It's doing it again. It's doing it again, you guys. Hasn't done this for... I don't know. How did I stop it last time?
You got on it. Wait, what?
Okay, while I'm trying to figure this out, excuse me. While I'm trying to figure this out, I want you guys to take a piece of paper and a pencil out and get your assignment set up. And then I'll just have to edit this.
Yeah, you just press the right. You can hear. Are we gonna do it again?
How does this happen?
Stop. Oh my god, no, it's 3.
Shh. Your assignment's going to be 6.6 homework, and put your name on it.
It's going to 4 minutes.
I know.
Can we listen how the math goes? This is sad. 4 minutes. Can you cut that part out? No, I want to keep it. Yeah, I want to hear it. I want to keep it. Oh my god.
Hi. Well, I'm trying. Oh, there we go. I'm trying to stop my video. It just keep. No, it's keep going. Yeah.